Whispered secrets only hearts can hear. Beneath the moon's soft silver light, to soar tonight in the hush of night.
Touch as gentle as a summer breeze melts away the world's unease. In this quiet moment, skin to skin, we find the strength to let love in.
So let the midnight silence sing our tender hearts in a gentle swing. In vulnerability we find our grace.